day 3 of me learning how to do my makeup. Also, I did get a new concealer. Here you go, Elf. Yeah, guys, let's get started. So, of course, starting with Revlon Color Stay. I got my base. So now we're gonna do concealer. Okay, guys, I actually did it this time. So now for blush. There it is. My blush. Here we go. Of course, got another sponge. This is my makeup. Wait, hold on. Actually, I lied. Gotta get my lip gloss from Melon Extra. Yeah. Okay, guys. Hold on. 1 second. This is my makeup for today. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope one day I can finally get into contour. That is like my next thing.